Hello guys, it's Krishna. Today we are gonna make something interesting with Photoshop. I'm gonna Photoshop this guy Anmol into Mumman. Mumman. Let me see which character you fit in. If I'm going to hell, just tell me, okay, guys? Because they are Mummin are so cute characters, and this one is ugly as hell. I'm just correcting your picture. Okay, let me first remove. Oh, I forgot he has no mouth. Now it's cool. You know what? Many girls will add this, but if no one does, somebody has to do it. Yes, it is going right. Like he has a tumor. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, looks like moment. Okay, yes, big eyes. That's right over here. We got the tool. We got the tool. Okay, nice. As he looks like Chinese. Fucking hell. He looks like Chinese. Now I'm gonna blend this. Here is a tool. I don't know what I'm looking at. He has changed to Chinese. Oh fuck. Nepali, you don't know. He's Nepali. He's from China. Fuck. He might be the coronavirus inventor. Who knows? Okay, it bends well. Now let me grab it. I let me make it bigger. Not that much. But this. Wait. Bro, it looks like women now. Huh? It looks like women now. Huh? Pretty same. Yes, here on his head, but bald head. Okay. Okay, we have to make him bald now. Just making him bald. His head must be like this. This. I don't know. यो कस्तो बन्दै जाँदै हो के बन्दै जाँदै हो मलाई थाहा छैन यो अमूल केसीको नाम निशानै हरायो त Nice, now we have to get this ear. Let's try it thin for the ear. And here it goes. Like a dagger. Virgo. Yes! Perfect. Perfect ear. Now let's make him white. Oh, it looks creepy. Let's grab his eyeball. Yes, there you are. And he's looking down. for some reason. Yes. Hello. So creepy. What do you think? It's nice or not? Tell me in the comment section. Okay.